Hi, welcome to the section, Estimating Costs. In this section, we will start with calculating tools. We then move to estimating CloudFormation templates costs. After that, we will see purchasing reserved instances and estimating total cost of ownership. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with calculating tools. In this video, we are going to take a look at AWS Simple Monthly Calculator, which is a website application provided to help you with estimate and forecast your AWS costs. By listing the resources you expect to consume, you can calculate your pay-as-you-go costs, which are how AWS bills you. In order to use the AWS Simply Monthly Calculator effectively, you need to already know the specific services and resources that you will use on a monthly basis. You also need to know specific things such as monthly data transfer and the amount of data you will need to store. In AWS, you get charged for data in and out of AWS, but not between AWS services. Now let's start with calculating the costs. First, we will go to the calculator website. We can select or deselect the free usage tier option as relevant for your account. If the account is less than 12 months old, you are eligible for the free usage tier. After this, make sure you have the correct region selected before adding resources, as they can differ in price from region to region. We have added our region. Next, we will add resources by selecting the relevant service from the left-hand menu and filling in our details. We will put description, class, and deployment for our first resource. Then continue to add resources as necessary. Next, we will add the web server. Once we have added all our sources, we will view the estimated monthly bill on the tab. After confirming the estimated detail, we click on the Save and Share button to add some additional metadata about your report. All the fields are optional. We will insert the name, includes, and description, and then click OK. A specific one-time URL will be generated for our report that we can then share with others. The accuracy of the calculator is completely dependent on your ability to forecast your requirements and usage. It is not an easy thing to do when you first start using AWS. Unfortunately, not all AWS services are present in the calculator. For those services, you will have to do your own calculations based on the service-specific pricing pages. The cost of the services and resources can vary from region to region. In general, the US East 1 region is the cheapest, and also has the most services, so use that if you want to know the lowest cost option. Other regions' prices vary due to supply and demand, cost of operations, and undoubtedly many other reasons that AWS doesn't go into. Some services have a free tier that applies, even if your account does not qualify for the standard free tier, that is, the account is more than 12 months old. These services will have a note on their specific calculator page detailing the inclusions like this. Once completed, you can generate a specific URL for your estimation report that you can share with anyone. There is no authentication to access this URL, so don't put any sensitive information in your reports. The only protection is that the URL is unlikely to be guessed.